Hello, I OP Srivastava is going to explain about equation of plane how you can get it. And this time I will take certain example and I will show you article as well. First I will prove article, I will derive article better you say. I will derive article and then I will show you how you can solve the examples also. Okay, so let us start it. So first I will derive the equations. Now what I have written here, equation of plane. Case 1. To find out the equation of plane when direction ratio oblique direction cosine of the plane and its perpendicular distance from the origin is given. Okay. Now what I say here, to derive the article, let us take a plane whose direction ratio is ABC and the perpendicular distance from the origin is P, right? Now let ON is a normal vector to the plane and N is the foot of the normal, then obviously modulus of vector ON will be P as the distance of normal of the plane from origin, and obviously direction ratio is ABC, so normal vector to the plane vector ON will be AI plus BJ plus CK. But ON can also be derived as vector ON is equal to modulus of ON into unit vector in the direction of ON. So modulus of ON is P and unit vector in the direction of vector ON is unit vector N. Now vector ON will be modulus as well as unit vector. I mean vector ON will be P into unit normal N. Unit normal N can also be derived as vector ON upon modulus of vector ON. Okay. Now here N is the unit normal vector to the plane. Right. Achha, one thing here, A square, B square plus it must be C square as well. So let us take C as well. I will correct it here. I'm just going to correct it. The mistake which I have committed here, that is rectified now, and that I am going to remove it. So it is A square plus B square plus it is nothing but simply C square. Okay. So unit normal to the plane is vector ON normal vector to the plane upon modulus of vector OB. As vector ON is AI plus BJ plus CK, so modulus of vector ON is under root A square plus B square plus C square. Now everything is clear. N is a unit normal to the plane. N is unit normal to the plane. So vector NP. N is the foot of the normal to the plane and P is the any random point on the plane. So vector NP is equal to, sometimes P is also called as a random point, or sometimes it is called as moving point of the plane which generate the plane in fact. So vector NP is equal to position vector of P minus position vector of N, that is vector OP minus vector ON, and position vector of plane is taken as vector R, so vector R minus Pn. As N is the perpendicular to NP, so unit normal N dot NP. N is normal to the plane, NP is on the plane, so N dot NP is equal to 0. Means N dot R minus Pn is equal to 0, which after modifying it gives you R dot N is equal to P, and that is known as the vector equation of the plane whose position vector are whose direction ratio or direction cosine is given and perpendicular distance of the plane from the origin is given. Okay. So this way you can get it the vector equation of the plane. Now let us solve a question based on it. हम इस पर एक क्वेश्चन भी करेंगे. Question 1. What I have taken? Find out the equation of plane. Find out the equation of plane whose direction ratio is ABC, means 2 minus 1, 2. That can be managed from these two. It is a variable, whatever you want, you can change it. So sometime let us change it also. I am doing it minus 3. So direction ratio is 2 minus 3, 2. 2, let us make it as 4. Okay. 2 minus 3, 4. And its perpendicular distance to the normal is perpendicular distance of the plane from the origin is 5. That also can be changed. Let us take it as 6. 7 you do. Alright. Now, how it can solve? Let us see. Answer here. What I have made it here. According to the question, the perpendicular distance of the plane from the origin is 7 and its direction ratio is ABC, that is 2 minus 3, 4. So direction cosine is as a formula A upon under root A square plus B square plus C square, B upon under root A square plus B square plus C square, and C upon under root A square plus B square plus C square, which can be rewritten at here by taking the data that finally comes equal to 0.37, 0.56 with minus sign and 0.74. So normal vector to the plane ON will be AI plus BJ plus CK according to the direction ratio, and which will be numerically 2i minus 3 plus 4k, where n is the foot of the normal to the plane. Unit normal to the plane will be vector n upon mod of on, that gives direction cosine. In fact, sometimes from directly you can take the unit normal to the plane with the direction cosine. Direction ratio only gives the normal vector, not unit normal. But direction cosine gives unit normal to the plane. That will be minus 0.37i minus 0.57j plus 0.74k according to the given data. While vector n is equal to modulus of n into n, means modulus of n is p or on is np. So as I have already discussed in article, that equation of plane becomes r dot n is equal to p. R is xi plus yj plus zk, as r is a random point on the plane. N is unit normal and p. Now putting the value as I derived here, r is xi plus yj plus zk dot, this one is equal to 7. If you solve it, you will come to this stage, and in Cartesian form it becomes 2x minus 3i plus 4z plus 7k. This is the normal form of the plane whose direction ratio is 2, 3, 4 and perpendicular distance from the plane is 7. This way you can derive the equation of plane whose direction ratio r direction cosine is given and its perpendicular distance is given. Okay. Another article is to find out the equation of plane. I am taking another question here. Question 2. Answer 2. Question is this. Now next time direction ratio of plane is given and one point on the plane is given. So I am doing this question along with the deriving the article as well. So how it can be done, as I have mentioned here, according to the question, direction ratio of the plane is 2 minus 3, 4. I mean ABC. So normal vector to the plane is normal vector of the plane, that is vector n, let us take. N will be 2i plus minus 3j plus 4k. And let a moving point, rather random point of plane is P, whose position vector is r with respect to origin, and r in coordinate form it is x, y, z on the plane, while point A, whose position vector is A, and numerically it is minus through 7 means vector A is equal to minus 2i plus 3j plus 7k. As it is on the plane, so vector AP is equal to position vector of P minus position vector of A, that is R minus A. Now put the value, you will get x plus 2i plus y minus 3j plus z minus 7k. x minus 2i, y minus minus 3 यानी कि y minus it must be, sorry, point A is here now. So x minus the x plus 2i, y minus 3j, z minus 7k. It is the vector RP. Vector n is normal to the plane and vector AP is on the plane. So obviously AB dot n is equal to 0 means R minus A dot n is equal to 0. When you put the value of vector R minus A, x plus 2y plus y minus 3j plus z minus 7k dot vector n is minus plus 2y minus 3j plus 4k, that is 0. After solving it, you will get 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to p. This way you can get the equation of plane whose direction ratio or direction cosine is given and one point is given on it. Okay, thank you. If you want to follow it, follow me. You follow my video videos which is already on YouTube. Okay, or thank you for watching the video.